Hi everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through creating a hologram effect in CapCut for a cool, futuristic vibe in your project. Let's jump right in. First, import the video clip you want to turn into a hologram and place it above your base clip in the timeline. You'll now have two layers, with the hologram video on top. If your overlay is too small or too big, resize it by dragging the corners of it inward or outward. Position the hologram layer to fit where you'd like it on the main video. You can also crop some parts of it by opening the Resize menu in the toolbar and then dragging the handles on the sides of the video clip. Click Confirm to save the changes. With the overlay selected, go to the Settings panel and look for the Blend option. Choose Screen or Brighten as your blend mode to give it that holographic, transparent look. Adjusting the opacity slider here will let you control how strong or subtle you want the hologram effect to be. And that's it. You now have a hologram effect in CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.